Hi, I am PixelPia. Today I'm going to start by reading you a story. So lean back. The voice of Laura's phone woke her up. The assistant reminded her of the schedule for the day as she stretched and wiped the sleep from her eyes. Laura confirmed that she had an early shift at the hospital today by quickly checking her smartwatch. Laura, good morning, the assistant said. It's 6 a.m. Today's hospital shift starts early for you. At 10 a.m., your groceries will be delivered. Would you want some music to help you wake up? Laura said, sure, play upbeat music. A playlist of peppy pop music was put on by the assistant. While getting out of bed and getting dressed for the day, Laura grinned. She was appreciative of her AI assistant since it made her life a lot easier. Laura woke up her children after getting ready and having breakfast. Michael, her oldest child, had already gotten up and was getting ready for school. Sarah, her youngest child, was still in bed. Sarah was softly awakened as Laura entered her room. Laura hugged Sarah. Good morning, time to wake up and get to school. Sarah moaned as she drifted off. She asked, can't I just stay in bed? No, Laura said. You have school today. Sighing, Sarah got up from her bed. Laura helped her get ready and have breakfast. And Laura walked her to the bus stop. Laura went home after Sarah left school, finished getting ready for work. Later, she drove to the hospital. She avoided traffic by finding the least crowded route to the hospital using her GPS. She arrived at the hospital and was met with a whirlwind of activity. Doctors and nurses hurried from one room to the next as patients were brought in and out of the hospital. Laura inhaled deeply and asked herself again why she had chosen this line of work. But her passion was nursing. She loved assisting people and the satisfaction from changing their lives. She was also appreciative of how AI helped her improve her skills as a nurse. She used AI, for instance, to assist with patients' diagnosis. She would employ a smart pill dispenser to remind patients to take their medicines on time, and a virtual assistant would respond to their queries. She also used AI to research new treatments and keep up with the current medical developments. She was working faster and more effectively thanks to AI, and she was also able to provide her patients with better treatment. She was appreciative of how AI was transforming the healthcare industry. Laura returned home after finishing her shift at the hospital and picked up her children from class. She used AI to assist her youngest child with her schoolwork and to recommend a few fun activities for her older kid to get involved in after finishing their homework. After deciding on a game of charades, they laughed and played about for the next hour. Laura used AI in the evening to organize an enjoyable family activity and invite some friends around. She connected with them on social media and even received AI recommendations for who to invite based on their shared interests. Laura appreciated how AI has improved her as a nurse, a mother, and a friend. She was aware that while AI could not replace human connections and creativity, it might greatly enhance them. She gave her children goodnight hugs before getting into bed, exhausted but happy. This story were written by AI, and the images you saw was also created by AI. This is my introduction to a series about how AI can help us improve in our daily life. The story was to demonstrate how we actually use AI already. We use it on our smartphones, maybe to open them with face recognition. We use them when we scroll the social media, or when we take a picture and it suggests a tag for that person that is in the photo. We use them in our GPS to find the best route, and we use them to do banking. When we turn on our TV, maybe we are using Netflix or another streaming platform, we get suggestion on what movies they think we might like. And maybe you use it at home for turning on and off lights. Or you have an Alexa where you ask her questions, you do searches, or maybe you ask her to play some music for you. As I said, today was just an introduction. In my next episode, I will talk about AI in the language models. Things like ChatGPT or Google's new Bard or Microsoft's Bing Chat. So if that is something you are curious about and want to learn more about, I suggest that you hit the little subscribe button and the bell so you get notified. And if you have any questions or any ideas on things that concerns AI in our daily life, leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate it. Bye!